Welcome to Trust and Dance. Your questions are often the same. Lila, I can't practice. Lila, I'm too busy. Lila, I'm not flexible enough. Lila, I don't have time. Or I start something, I start the practice and then I stop. Yes, you go through this. I have always struggled with this, even after 33 years of yoga. So we all have to find our own strategy. So today I'm going to share a few tips with you, some things that some of my students have found useful to help themselves. This is about really getting into a practice that is regular enough for you to at some point see the results and feel the results in your body and in your joy, in your attitude to life. And when you reach that stage, yoga becomes easy, practice becomes sort of part of your nature, but it's reaching that stage that takes some effort in the beginning. So some of the tricks could be to make yourself some form of notification that tells you, now is my me time and this is now my priority and nothing will come into the way of that. So you can do that through your Google Calendar, or you can place an alarm on your phone that says now is party time. Keep the alarm going until you actually do it. Copy paste some videos or the link to the video from this YouTube channel. So choose a class and stick to it for about 40 days until you really see the results. Use technology to help you with this, so you know that this is your time, this is when you switch on your computer or switch on your television or switch on your mobile phone to follow that class and continue. Once you feel that you have mastered one particular class, then switch to another one. Find in your body what it is that you need. So for this, of course, you'll have to remember to subscribe and to note what your favorite videos are. Sometimes it really helps to have someone encourage you, or sometimes yoga can be unsafe if you practice some things always in the same way and you haven't someone to check you. So if you live remotely, if you don't have a teacher, you can make a one-to-one appointment with me and I look at how you do your asanas and I help you with important tips, either to take you out of bad habits or to warn you of something to make sure you practice is safe, or to give you one-to-one indications and things that are not on this chart. Having someone who coaches you, knowing that you have an appointment with someone in a week or in 2 weeks will help you do the practice because you want somehow to show that you've been doing something good. How have I dealt with this? Well, I have found that to me, working with one exact time a day wasn't working very well, so I've decided to make yoga part of my daily life, part of every moment. So if I'm in the bus, I might do some meditation, for example. I'm in the underground, I do that. Or I'm at a meeting and I might go into some meditation state, some kind of a meditation state that allows me to be fully present. Or I always wear flexible clothes, so if at one point I can do some asana, some exercise, then I do it wherever I am. And that's the way I have found. For example, when the bath is running, instead of just waiting, or instead of, I don't know, doing something crazy like online shopping or something like that, no, I will do some asanas while the bath is running. I find ways to do it anytime and every time. And there's even a vlog on this. Yoga can be practiced anywhere and everywhere, and I think you might want to start with that one. That's it for today. Thank you. Goodbye.